Originally released in 2001, the Air Jordan 11 Low UNC holds a special place in sneaker history as the first low-top version of the iconic Air Jordan 11. Inspired by Michael Jordan's time at the University of North Carolina, the shoe features a clean white leather upper, a Carolina blue patent leather mudguard, a wide midsole, and a translucent icy outsole that delivers a timeless Jordan look. The Air Jordan 11 Low has become a staple for the spring and summer seasons, often releasing between April and June when fans switch to lighter, warmer fits. Jordan Brand continues to rely on this silhouette as a seasonal favorite, and the UNC colorway easily carries that legacy. This upcoming release is expected to arrive in full family sizing, making it accessible for all ages. Unlike the 2001 and 2017 versions, this edition brings back Nike Air branding on the insoles. The Air Jordan 11 Low UNC is currently scheduled to release on April 18, 2026, with a retail price of $190.